Want to speak real Thai from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ThaiPod101.com.
Hi everybody, Jay here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Thai questions. The question for this lesson is, what are the different dialects of Thai? Just like other languages, Thai has different dialects. Thai dialects categorized according to the different parts of Thailand. These are North, South, Northeast, and Central. Each dialect has influences from neighboring countries. Today, I'll teach you some basic knowledge of these dialects. The most common language used in Thailand is Standard Thai or ภาษากลาง It's most commonly used in the central part of Thailand, mainly Bangkok metropolitan region. It's also one that beginners of Thai learn as is the most standard. Let's see two example sentences in Standard Thai, which I'll compare with other dialects. อาหารอร่อยไหม Is the food delicious? The response to the question is อาหารอร่อยมาก The food is very delicious. Let's see now the Northern Thai or ภาษาเหนือ This dialect is derived from the independent kingdom Lan Na and is mostly spoken in the north of Thailand. Its derivation from Lan Na caused the dialect to have a soft and pleasant sound. The vocab are slightly changed as well. With the same sentence in Northern Thai is now กึ่นข้าวลำก่อ Is the food delicious? And in response อาหารลำขนาด The food is very delicious in Northern Thai. Northeastern Thai dialect or ภาษาอีสาน is derived from Laos. So there are some similarities in this dialect to Laos. For example, อาหารแซ่บบ่ means is the food delicious? In Northeastern Thai, to respond in this dialect, you reply อาหารแซ่บหลาย This means the food is very delicious. And lastly, Southern Thai or in Thai ภาษาปักใต้ Southern Thai has influences from Malay. The dialect, just like every dialect, is slightly different from Standard Thai in terms of words. For example, อาหารร่อยไหม Is the food delicious? The response would be ร่อยจังหู The food is very delicious. So, let's recap. Standard Thai อาหารอร่อยไหม Is the food delicious? อาหารอร่อยมาก The food is very delicious. Northern Thai กึ่นข้าวลำก่อ Is the food delicious? ลำขนาด The food is very delicious. This sentence is completely different from the other dialects. This is because instead of using อาหาร to mean food, Northern Thai uses ข้าว to mean food. Since rice is always consumed when Thais eat, it's considered food in general. Northeastern อาหารแซ่บบ่ Is the food delicious? อาหารแซ่บหลาย The food is very delicious. Southern Thai อาหารร่อยไหม Is the food delicious? ร่อยจังหู The food is very delicious. Keep in mind that Standard Thai or ภาษากลาง is the language that we teach at ThaiPod101.com and the language that Thai people learn at school. Pretty interesting, right? If you have any more questions, please leave a comment below. Bye! สวัสดีค่ะ